doorknob of their house was broke.
Anak, punta ka natin sa bahay.
They suspected that there was something wrong and asked their neighbor if they saw someone break into their house.
Pare, nakita mo pumasok sa bahay namin? Nakita mo ba lumabas siya?
Said incident was reported by the victim, Mr. Domingo, to Magalang MPS through a telephone call.
Hello, sir. Sir, may pumasok ba dito sa bahay po namin? Lacey Domingo po, sir. Dito pa sa Barangay Lisok. Tawag galing sa complainant. Nangyayari daw na robbery incident sa Barangay Lisok, Magalang Pampanga.
With this,
Bali, anong nangyari, sir? Pag-uwi po namin ng 7-8, nakita po namin na masang may pinto. Nakita po sa loob ng bahay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pwede po, sir.
after the facts and circumstances were relayed to the responding police officers, with this, Patrolman Evangelista, with the aid of her immediate backup, restrained and arrested the suspect. Were stolen items, assorted jewelry amounting to 50,000 pesos, cell phone amounting to 15,000, and cash amounting of 30,000 pesos, and the confiscated crowbar used by the suspect to forcibly arrested suspect, along with the recovered and seized items, was brought to the police station for relative to the robbery.
Sino yung nito?